and welcome to the THB Forex Swing in Position Weekly Wrap-Up Session Turkey Edition, November 27th, 2008. Yes, we're cutting the week short this week. It's time to get back with your family and your loved ones. I'd stay short to say get fat, but definitely pad up for the winter. Alright, let's get into our business. Cap off the week. Quick flashback to last week. We did 350 big ones. Compounded our account by 31.4%. Ooh la la. And this week, well, 3 short days. Very short week, but 230 pips so far this week. All our trades are closed, so we could go have fun this weekend. And 12.7%. Respectable totals. Alright, now I'm sure some of you are wondering exactly how we do it. We're about to tell you, but first let me tell you how things go on in our swing and position team trade room. We trade 2 trading strategies, very mechanical, all the way. Entry, stop loss, profit taking, all mechanical. 4 time frames we look at, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily chart, all on these 8 currency pairs, the euro, the pound, the Swissy, the yen, the Canadian, the EJ, the Aussie, and the Kiwi. Alright, plus, we never risk over 1% of our trading capital at any one time on any one trade. So that means that all our signals are created equally, no emotions involved. Just mechanical execution all the way. Alright, let's get to our totals now. So far this week, it's pretty lean board. 6 trades total were called. And out of those 6 trades, we had 4 winners. 2 very small ones, pretty much break-evens. And 2 big ones, including a big kahuna. We've got 2 losers as well. Straight losses in there. Alright, a few highlights for the week. Let's start with our let's start with the biggest loser this week. It occurred on the Swissy 1 hour chart. We lost a straight 30 pips on that one for taking away 1% of our account. And our smallest losers, it's the other loss, Canadian 15-minute charts. This was only a 10 pipper. It just didn't work. If we've had the stop loss of 20 pips, it would have worked. But mechanical it didn't work. Alright, now let's look at the winners. The winners, let's talk with a small winner, the smallest win. We got a couple. EJ 4 hour, we made a pip. Swissy 1 hour, we made a pip. There's also the Euro 15 minutes where we banked in 79 pips. And finally, the big kahuna, pound 15 minutes. Just closed that this morning or last night. 189 pips, compound by 9.4%. Really good, really good. Look at our total again, 230 pips, compounded by 12.7%. Good job, everyone. All right, so from here, let's take it to the charts. Let's go see one trade. Alrighty, here is the pound 15-minute chart. That's where we did. And, I just wanted to showcase here the long downtrend, the uptrend, choppy, but long and up. So we're looking to buy the pound. And, as we typically do, we like to find bottoms on these things. So, we did so. Right there. Let me zoom in to this now. Alright, and perhaps go back to where we started the whole deal. And just like that, we've got it covered in here. So we picked up bottom right down there. Let's grab some tools. So the entry was at 1.5192. So somewhere right in here on this candlestick. Our stop loss was 20 pips. So we used most of it, but not all of it. There we got down to 76. Our stop loss is 72, so we used 16 out of our 20 pips. It almost didn't work, but fate would have it that it would work, and it just took off for us, eh? 53.60. First profit target 53.63. So right up top here. How good are we at picking tops? I tell ya. We got another one at 53.94 on the way up here during that week. So I personally actually had to take him on the fly, and I had took my profit a little bit higher because this was a fast moving one. 53.63. Back here as we were rising up again, and finally we capped off the rally with 54.09 right there, and that basically we had no more lots to trade. So that's too bad we didn't get the next burst, but still, as far as totals for this trade, we're looking at 189 pips and a compounding factor of is it for 9.4? Yes, it's 9.4%. So, pretty big, pretty nice. That's the big kahuna for the week. And, you know what? Let's go look at the euro. Look at this euro. Well, the euro is also in a medium-term uptrend, so on a small term like the 15 minutes, we were in fact looking for a buy trade. We're looking to pick a bottom. That's our specialty. That's what we like to do, and we did pick it up. It is over here, this bottom. And it didn't take off as a trend continuation as we thought it would, but still enough to give us some pips. So let's zoom into this. All right, and now we'll have to go back a little bit. Here we are, and that should take care of the trade right there. So we had this fall, and interestingly enough, we did call this trade when we were about 150 pips away from the price point. So we saw this one coming ahead of time, way ahead of time. So the bottom is here, and the exact price is 28.26. Is that the price? Yes, it is. 28.26 right there. So we kind of hung out around there for about 45 minutes. We had a 10 pip stop loss, and you know what? 17. So we did 6 pips. Sorry, 8 pips of our 10 pip stop loss got used up. Actually, it was a 15 pip stop loss. Sorry for the mistake. And we start going up finally. 28.90 was the first profit target right at the top here. And then we proceeded to go higher. And we then, whoops, sorry about that. Folks, here we're back. So we went and got another shot on the way back down at 28.90. So we got 2 profits there. Then 29.33 rang the bell. And we finally got taken out by 29.08 right here. And that's how we ended up. So total for this trade, 79 big pips. And a compounding ratio of 5.2%. Pretty good job, everyone. These were the 2 biggest trades we had to take in our little couple of days. Alrighty, so let's get back to our totals here. Totals for the week, 230 pips, 12.70%. And that completes our weekly wrap-up for the week. So thank you very much for joining us. Go have some turkey. Go have some fun with your loved one. But be back next week here, because we're going to have another Teach Me Forex Swing and Position Team Trade Room. And for those of you who wonder who we are, what we do, how we do it, or maybe how to join us in the team trade rooms, well, please visit at www.teachmeforex.com. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful Thanksgiving weekend.